The idea of a brain-computer interface, BCI, is not new. In fact, it has been around for decades. However, the potential of this technology has yet to be fully realized. This is due in part to the fact that BCI technology is still in its infancy and has not yet been fully integrated into everyday life. One of the most promising tools for unlocking the potential of BCI technology is LogicProgs. This company is dedicated to developing and deploying BCI technology that can be used to improve the quality of life for people with disabilities and to help people with cognitive impairments. LogicProgs is working to develop a BCI system that uses a combination of brainwaves and facial recognition to interpret and interact with the user. This means that the user can control their computer or mobile device using their brainwaves and facial expressions, without the need for any physical input. The system works by using an EEG headset to capture the user's brainwaves. These brainwaves are then analyzed and interpreted by the system to interpret the user's intent. For example, if the user is looking at a certain object, the system can interpret this as a command to move the object. The facial recognition aspect of the system is also very useful. It can help the system to interpret the user's facial expressions and determine what action the user is trying to perform. For instance, if the user is smiling, it can be interpreted as a command to open an application or to check an email. LogicProgs is also working on ways to use BCI technology to improve the quality of life for people with disabilities. They are currently working on a system that can help those with limited mobility to control their environment. This is achieved by allowing the user to control their environment with their mind, rather than relying on physical input. In addition to improving the quality of life for people with disabilities, LogicProgs is also looking at ways to utilize BCI technology to improve the lives of those with cognitive impairments. For instance, they are working on a system that can detect language patterns and interpret them to help those with language impairments communicate better. LogicProgs is also looking into the potential of BCI technology for use in the military. They are exploring ways to use BCI technology to enhance the accuracy and speed of decision-making in the field. For instance, they are looking at ways to use BCI technology to help soldiers make decisions faster and more accurately in combat situations. Overall, LogicProgs is doing a great job in advancing the development of BCI technology and making it more accessible to the public. They are taking a proactive approach to developing and deploying BCI technology that can improve the lives of people with disabilities and those with cognitive impairments. They are also exploring ways to use BCI technology for more practical applications such as in the military. If their efforts are successful, we can look forward to a future where BCI technology is commonplace and integrated into our daily lives.